Everyone is talking about chia seeds for weight loss, but nobody is telling you the complete truth. Not how they work, not how much to eat, not what mistakes kill your results. I'm gonna tell you everything right now. Stay until the end because the last point is the one most people miss. Most people don't gain weight from eating too much. They gain it from blood sugar spikes and hunger hormones going out of control. Fix those two things, and weight loss becomes almost automatic. That's exactly what chia seeds target. When you swallow chia seeds, they absorb liquid and swell up to 10 times their size, turning into a thick gel inside your stomach. That gel does 3 things. 1, it fills your stomach, so your brain gets the signal to stop eating. 2, it slows stomach emptying, keeping you full for 3 to 5 hours. No mid-morning snacking, no pre-lunch hunger. 3, it slows sugar absorption. No spike, no insulin rush, no fat storage signal. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain 5 grams of protein. Your body burns more calories digesting protein than any other food. Protein also directly lowers ghrelin, your hunger hormone. Lower ghrelin means fewer cravings, and fewer cravings means fewer calories. Most people trying to lose weight aren't eating enough protein. Chia seeds are the easiest fix. No cooking, no prep. This is what most chia seed videos never explain. Every time your blood sugar spikes, your body releases insulin. Insulin's job is to store that sugar in fat cells. Chia seeds block this cycle. The gel they form acts like a barrier in your digestive tract. Sugar passes through slowly. Blood sugar rises gently. Less insulin, less fat storage, more fat burning. Soak 2 tablespoons in a glass of water overnight. Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Your stomach is already partly full. Your portions shrink naturally. Never eat them dry. Dry seeds absorb liquid from your body instead. Stick to 2 tablespoons. More causes bloating and people quit. And be consistent. 2 weeks in, cravings drop. 4 weeks in, portions shrink without effort. 8 weeks in, the scale reflects it. Chia seeds alone won't save you if your diet is completely out of control. They are a tool, a powerful one, but still a tool. They work best when you cut processed sugar, drink enough water, and eat real food around them. Think of chia seeds as the easiest first step, the step that makes every other step easier.